Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today it's a dyno on a 19 GT ROUSH Supercharged. It's a TVS 2650. This car is an automatic. We are going to go down and take a look, tell you everything on this car. It does have a set of long tubes, some supporting mods. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us if today. I have Doug with me. Let's go down and check it out. All right, so what do you have going on this automatic to lay down? 680 real horsepower. Doug, come down, take a look. It's the ROUSH. It's a TVS 2650 intercooled supercharger. It's what they call their phase 2 kit. We also installed a set of long tube headers. So we have stainless power long tube headers, rear cylinder head cooling kit, as well as billet oil pump gears. If you don't want to, maybe you don't know what some of those parts are. I'll put a link in the description. You can click on, read more about them, and then, hey, what's this cost to get installed? Email quote@brenspeed.com. And everything on this car we keep in stock. We can also ship right to your door. But hey, it's a sweet setup. 19 GT auto, killer power, 585 torque. Check out this dyno pull. So I brought up the graph, and we're going to look at a couple things. Rear wheel horsepower, dyno check, SAE. We have the rear wheel torque as well as the boost. Doug, come over here, take a look. Automatic, 682 rear wheel horsepower, right around 7,200 RPM. Torque comes in 585, peaking at 5,100. Boost taps 12.8 at 6,300 RPM. Now, the boost on this, Doug, if you take a look, right when you go wide open throttle, we're over 10. So this line right here is 10 all the way across the board. We're over 10 on this. It's a sweet setup. This is what they call their phase 2 kit. You buy it, we ship it to your door. You install it yourself as a calibration you load on the car. We're going to install it here at Brenspeed. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. Happy to answer. Hit that subscribe, notify us, stay up to date. And like I said before, email quote@brenspeed.com. Say, what's this cost to get installed? As well as I'm going to put a link at the end of this to a shop tour video that you can see a lot of other things we do here at Brenspeed. We're in Indiana. It's not just Mustangs. We got a lot of cool stuff and cool videos. Thanks so much for watching.